Hello everyone, welcome to week 4, BCOM 3113, spring 2019. Just as before, let's dive right in and see what we are responsible for this week. Okay, so obviously, if we go here to content week 4, we've got our outline. We really only have two things going on this week. First and biggest is the group work assignment number 1. Now, there are always growing pains associated with this assignment. I've already received several emails from many of you. Some people are feeling a little bit pressured or stressed, so I want to first and foremost, let me put myself here, I want to first and foremost try to alleviate any fears you might have. Now, this first assignment, there are going to be, some hiccups, especially technical things, and you might have 1 or 2 members that you're having problems getting a hold of and that kind of thing. So don't worry about it. The bottom line is this assignment is not more than one person could do anyway. But what we're trying to do is to work in a collaborative way, add that element to the course. In addition to, as some of you right now are working professionals know, you have to function in the business world in virtual team environments all the time. So it's good practice. So anyway, I want to throw that out there. So if you're in a team that you haven't heard from anybody, you're the only person that's posted on the message board, at this point, just kind of soldier forward. It's less than ideal, obviously, but that's what I would like for you to do. And hopefully you will hear from your teammates very quickly once you get started. So you can take the reins at this point and hopefully from here on out. Now, if you do have other issues, or as you still have communication issues, let me know. I will do what I can to try to facilitate this first thing starting off on the right foot. And so communication is key there. So I've heard from some of you, I've replied to those emails. Just get back with me and we'll keep the ball rolling here. Okay, so going back here, I've got all kinds of information. The first assignment itself is here. The instructions generally for all the group work that we'll do 3 or 4 of these throughout the semester. If you're not real comfortable with Google Docs, here's a link for some supplemental help there. Here's a list of your group work team so you can identify the people on your list, and then you can go up here to the class list and email them directly if you feel like you need to. And then the last thing that we have is a Chapter 5 reading assignment, which is some pretty dense material, to be honest, but very, very helpful. And it's much longer than some of the other reading assignments, so make sure you budget your time. So, we've got plenty of time this week because we don't have quite as much as we have had in the past and what we will do in some weeks in this course. And that's by design so that hopefully we can overcome the growing pains associated with trying something new, like the first group work assignment. So, as always, reach out to me if you have any issues, technical or otherwise, any problems or questions. Otherwise, get to work.